So hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Okay, in this video basically we'll be talking about a recipe which you use to get rid of dark elbow, thighs and knees. Okay, and we'll be using 4 different recipes. Over here I have my turmeric powder, cucumber, your lemon, and of course honey. All you'll be needing is to get yourself a bowl. You measure in a teaspoon of your turmeric powder, squeeze out our lemon juice. We're using a sieve to avoid the seed from falling into it. This is it. We're cutting our cucumber into slices to blend. So we're going to blend this. So let's slice it now. Our cucumber, we're going to add in water and blend a little. Okay, we blend until you get a smooth paste. So let's do that now. I'm going to be pouring it inside your turmeric paste. Then you take your honey, you apply 1 teaspoon of your honey. So you stir very well to get an even mixture. You stir very well to get an even mixture like you see me doing now. After you finish stirring, this is what you get. This is what it's going to look like. And this is your paste for getting rid of your dark thighs, knee and elbow. You should use this by applying on your body, your affected body parts, your elbow, your knee, your thighs. Apply for and leave for 30 minutes. Just leave it to stay there for 30 minutes before you wash off with lukewarm water and have your bath. Do this twice a week, 3 times a week. It could be Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays. It could be Tuesdays, Fridays and Sundays, depending on your schedule. Do this twice a week and you notice changes in your body. The dark thighs will start fading out, the dark knees and elbow will start fading out. This is a natural DIY that works a lot. So guys, this is basically it for this video. Thanks for watching to the very end. Thanks for staying true with me. Share this video with your friends. Let them know about this channel. Leave a comment down below, okay, about how this recipe helped you and what you liked about the recipe. I'll see you guys in my next video. So bye guys.